Yeah. Okay. Y'all, it's Z. Welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all are doing good. I hope everybody is doing great, staying safe, all that jazz. So today's video is going to be a t-shirt transformation. I'm taking like an extra large t-shirt and I'm going to turn it into a one shoulder crop top. Something cute, something fun, something for the girls, something for the summertime. Even though I guess we're nearing the end of the summer, or what should have been a summer, but it really wasn't. Whatever. But yeah, so I'll be showing y'all how I basically take apart this t-shirt and make it into a one shoulder crop top. And I even added the little cute little tie strings on the sides that, you know, tie across your belly or whatever. You know, really trendy, really cute. You could probably do this project without sewing or without a sewing machine. You probably could use like fabric glue or something like that. I haven't tried it, so I don't know, but it probably could work. But I have a sewing machine, so I just use my sewing machine. I'll be showing y'all basically how I sewed it, or the step-by-step process. I tried my best to explain it in words, because I'm not the best at explaining stuff, but I try. So yeah, I'll be showing y'all basically the step-by-step process of how I create this shirt. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Like this video, comment below and let me know if you want me to do more things like this. I do have a few more lined up, so we'll see. You know, just want to know you guys' reaction to the video or whatever. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends so y'all can all have some cute one shoulder crop tops, girl. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. I will see y'all in my next video.
Starting out with drawing an outline for my shirt or my t-shirt. This t-shirt, I believe I got it from Walmart, either Walmart or Joann's. I'm really not sure, but it's just a large t-shirt. I just got it because I have a pair of shoes this color, so I was like, oh, this would be nice to make something out of. So that's what I did, and I started out by drawing the outline of the one shoulder shirt with a fabric marker. This is like a chalk marker that I got from Walmart for I think $2. And these scissors are also from Walmart. They're just regular fabric scissors. I don't remember how much these ones cost, but any fabric scissors will work. So I just go in and I'm cutting out that outline. You see a sleeve because I did start to make this a long sleeve shirt. I wanted it to be long sleeve, one shoulder, but then I ended up changing it. So that's why I just like ignore that. In my measurements for my shirt, I also included seam allowance. So make sure you do that. I use 1.5 inch seam allowance. Sorry, a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Just to make sure when I sew everything together, the shirt fits properly. Okay, y'all, now that we have everything cut out, we are ready to sew. So I'm going to start off with just sewing a stitch on the side where the arm is not at, if that makes any sense. So yeah, I'm just turning the shirt with the right sides, the sides that will be showing, facing each other. So when we create our stitch, of course, our stitches will not be showing and everything will look seamless. I'm using a Brothers sewing machine. It's one of the, like, I guess, Project Runway editions. It has like so many freaking stitches, but today we're just using basic zigzag and straight stitches. I was lazy, so I didn't change my thread color because y'all, I hate rethreading my machine every time I start a new project. So I'm just using some white thread, going in with the zigzag stitch. I did pin the shirt a little bit just so it can stay together because the fabric kind of rolls in on itself. So everything will stay straight and everything. And I'm just creating my first line of stitches. And yeah, that'll be it for this part of the shirt. so now it's time to sew the part of the arm strap where your shoulder would sit, and I'm just using like a super small zigzag stitch. I could have used a straight stitch, but it was my machine was already on a zigzag stitch. So here we are. But yeah, we're just gonna make sure you back stitch and then do a very small line of stitches on that, and of course cut off the extra string and the extra fabric as well, so the shoulder part won't be bulky. I did have to go back in and sort of stitch a little bit on the other side because I didn't get close enough, and of course you don't want any gaps or holes in your shoulder straps, because you know that's gonna look kind of tacky. But then I'm just going in and cleaning it up, cutting the extra strings, and that's how it looks. And then I'm just gonna cut off all that extra fabric. Okay, y'all, if you've stayed with me this whole time, you can see that we are almost done with our shirt. We're just doing the last line of stitches that sort of make it an actual shirt, make it all one piece. So I'm just going in and creating that last line of stitches. With this one, you don't want to go all the way to the top, and you will see me do it. You want to leave, I measured about 7.5 or 8 inches. You want to leave for where your arm actually goes, because if you close it all the way or you sew all the way to the top, you have no place to put your arm, girl. But you want to leave about 7.5 or 8 inches, and that does allow you space to actually hem the hole where your arm goes and everything. So as you'll see me, I'm gonna go about, a little bit way up. I did mark it where I measured, and then I'm going to make sure to back stitch. Please make sure you back stitch or else your shirt will fall apart, and cut the extra string, and then I am done with my shirt. Okay, so our shirt is basically done, but I'm going to go in and hem all the raw edges. I just removed that little piece in the front of my sewing machine to make it a little bit easier for me. You don't have to hem the shirt. You could just leave the edges as is. The fabric does like roll in on itself and kind of, I guess, could give the appearance of it being hemmed, but it's really whatever you choose to do. I chose to hem my shirt because that's the look I was going for. So I'm just doing like a little roll hem or whatever, and I'm using a straight stitch for this. But that completes our shirt. After that, I just took some strips of fabric from the rest of the t-shirt, attached them to the sides of the shirt to create the little strings that tie around your stomach or whatever, and we are done with this project.
Okay, so this is the finished shirt actually on my body. I went through and checked to make sure everything was hemmed correctly. No raw edges were showing. And then I, went ahead and tied it around my waist. For the ties, what I did was I cut a long strip from the t-shirt and then I got them and pulled them. I left the ends as is because I don't think it really matters. I mean, you can roll hem the end of the shirt if you want to, but all I did was just pull the strings that I cut, and they just turned they kind of rolled in on themselves. The fabric rolled in on itself, and that way you don't have to go through and actually sit and hem and turn inside out the strings. This was pretty easy, pretty simple. It didn't take me long. Well, I'm such a procrastinator, so it kind of took me a minute. But it actually, theoretically, it would not take you a long time to do this. It's just a really cute shirt. You can do this with a t-shirt of any color. So I just had a blue t-shirt, so I chose to do blue, and yeah, I think it turned out really cute. I'm very satisfied. I definitely actually will wear this. So please let me know if you guys actually decide to do this. In the comments below, let me know if you have any other things you want to see me transform. Also, if you do decide to make this shirt, make sure you take a picture of it, tag me on my Instagram. My Instagram will be in the description box below. I can't wait to see y'all's designs. But yep, this actually would be really cute if you kind of like did the bleach dye on it. That'd be kind of cute too, kind of different. I haven't seen any shirts like that. But yep, thank y'all for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.